Welcome back. All Souls Day was celebrated by the faithful on Wednesday. People offered prayers to the departed souls in purgatory and prayed for their eternal rest. Many people also pray on the graves of their beloved ones on this day.
All Souls Day was celebrated all over the state on 2nd November. It is the remembrance of the beloved souls who have departed. This is the day to pray for the souls in purgatory. The souls which are not perfectly cleansed from sins are prayed by the faithful on this day. Prayers are being offered by sacrifice of the Mass. Family members of the departed souls clean the graves, dress it with flowers, light candles and pray for the souls.
That's the day today that we pray for those souls in purgatory departed, who require maybe a little purification. Therefore, we faithful gather today, that we pray for the dead who are just waiting for a little purification to go to heaven. They're already in heaven, it's a little process that they require. And therefore today the Catholics are urged to go to Mass and offer Masses for the dead and also visit the graves. When they visit the cemetery, the grave and pray for the dead, I think the Church promises them an indulgence, a special blessing for their own intentions.
A reporter in Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
A documentary on Goan legend Anthony Gonsalves was released at Buckingham Palace on Wednesday. Producers Shrikant Joshi and Mriganini Joshi have produced this documentary. Anthony Gonsalves was an integral part of Lakshmikant Pyarilal's music troupe.
Who doesn't know the legendary Goan maestro from Majorda, our own Anthony Gonsalves? He was recently felicitated by Swar Alap, a Mumbai-based organization dedicated to music. Anthony Bab was bestowed upon with the prestigious Karmavir Puraskar, and now another chapter in the golden career of Anthony Bab. A documentary on his life and work has been released on Wednesday. Advocate Ramakant Khalab, Member Secretary of Kala Academy Pandurang Faldesai, daughter of Anthony, Lakshmi Gonsalves, and other crew members were present for the function.
जिसको हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक मालूम है, उसको सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल, वो एक साइड में गया, वेस्टर्न वाले एक साइड में गए, एंथनी साहब ऐसे रहे दोनों बाजू. सो नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? Who has got involvement in all the things.
Said we'll get back to you, nothing happened. And I just would like to say with musicians and artists, they are usually very sensitive people and very emotional people. They should not be hurt, their feelings should not be hurt, and they should not be insulted. It plays on their mind for years. So even later on, whenever anybody came to interview him, he would say, tell him I'm dead. Now I'm nothing. He was so dejected. So all this came now, better late than never. He was very happy now in these few days, these last few years. He's been very happy in meeting Mr. Joshi and his family. He used to come regularly, talk to him. He was very free. And once again, he was all excited. He was even thinking of having another show, a music show, a concert again.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Disha Charitable Trust is organizing an awareness rally of Badhte Kadam on 3rd November. This campaign is initiated by Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment for the welfare of persons with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disabilities. Their aim is to create community awareness and change the attitude towards these people.
Badhte Kadam is working towards enabling persons with developmental disabilities to lead lives of dignity. It is a national awareness campaign initiated by the Government of India to create opportunities for community participation for persons with disability and encourage more community responsibility towards persons with disability. Disha Charitable Trust is organizing a rally on Thursday at 4 in the evening. Badhte Kadam will flag off the rally from Panji city and disabled students will march with flags towards 5 Brigade Ground. This program will show different facets of disabilities.
Badhte Kadam is mainly celebrates diversity and create inclusion. It is a diversity and inclusion that is one of the main theme of the celebrity. And we would like to tell to the public at large that please don't give us pity. Don't pity these people. This is a matter of their right. We are not asking for pity. We are asking for right. And we are all these organizations joined together to have their rights. And Government of India wants to help these rights.
Similar rallies will be organized at Vasco, Madgaon, Ponda and Bicholim. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.